Right behind me is a 200-year-old abandoned house. So the entrance of this house is been blocked, as you guys can see here. The door has been locked from the other side, so I am putting my camera inside the house. I tried to open the door, but it was impossible to open because it was locked from the other side. The other door of the house was also being locked from the other side, so I sneaked in my camera to see inside. So I climbed the boundary wall of the house from the other side. I will show you at the last of the video from where did I found this way. And the back side of the house is full of trash, as you guys can see. And there are some Pepsi bottles and other bottles. Here are many plastic caps of bottle. You guys can see the whole floor is full of trash, nothing else, and the plastic bottles, caps, and some Pepsi bottles, and a table, old table that can be used in a shop. And here are some bureaus and sofas like that stuff. Now I am going to the front side of the house. This was the back side. So I am now in the front side of the house, and here is a gate. And this gate has also been locked from the other side. I will try to go inside this house, but I am exploring another way to go inside this. And here is also a gate that has been locked. And you guys can see as I point out the camera inside. And this has been locked, so I am pointing the camera inside because I can't jump over this because it's hard to come out from here. And here is the room of the house, as you guys can see. It is also full of trash, wooden pieces, and old bureaus and stuff like that. Full of trash, nothing else to see there. And this is the outer part of the house. Here are some stones and a pipe and a broken door. And here is also a cylinder, guys. I didn't notice when I was taking the video, but I noticed it here. And here I found a tennis ball that can be used when I'm playing cricket. So
इस बार गई कोहली का बल्ला माशा
I put that ball outside where when I am going to the home, I will take that ball. I will show you at the last of the video. And that's all here. Broken chair, not a broken but old chair was there. And here I will climb the wall to go that side of the house. You guys can see full of trash here, guys. And I am climbing the wall right now. So that is the top of the house, and you guys can see, guys, I have found 2 cricket bats and a plastic stamp. I will go there afterwards. I am right now sitting at the top of the house, jumping inside this trash. So I jumped inside. Let's see what I can find here. And entering the house, I can just see some plastic covers, trash, full of stuff like that. Here is a plastic cover and nothing else. Let's go inside the house and see what is there. And you guys can see the trees, the plants growing inside this house, and full horror theme is coming outside this house. I am so scared, so I am going outside because I can't find anything precious or worthable here. So I am jumping out of this place. Now here are the cricket bats. Let's climb up. So here are the bats, as you guys can see. Let me take them in hand. Here is a plastic bat. This is also in good condition, painted one. And another bat, a wooden bat. But I don't want to steal them, so I am keeping these bats and the stump here itself. There is a stump and and there was also a cycle chain, but I didn't pick it up. I left it there, and I am jumping outside this because I don't want to steal anything. Now I am sneaking in the camera from the below the hole that I found. And here also is nothing. I can go inside, but what if some insect bite me? So that's all, guys. This is the front gate of the house that I showed you before. So that's all I can find there, and I came from here. I said in the starting of the video, this is the place where I came. So that side is the house. I climbed from this wall, and here is my cycle outside. And here is the tennis ball that I found. I'm taking this to my home. That's all for the video. See you in the next video. Till then, peace out.